What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're well. We're going to go over our friend Gala games. Currently, we're down 3.7 on the day following our analysis at 0.0131. 24-hour, the market cap is 328 million. 24-hour volume 39 million. Let's hop into the chart. So, continues to follow our wave count. We talked about us wicking up into the wave 4 and now expecting us to come down in wave 5. So when you see my analysis here in these videos, you see these yellow boxes. They do offer opportunities for trades. So if we're following a downward wave count, then you can take that short in that wave 4, ride it down for the wave 5. So as you can see, we're starting to come down in the wave 5. We'll use my brush here. So you have a nice little wave 1 down, wave 2 pullback. There's your wave 3, wave 4, and then potentially come down in the wave 5 to the 618 at 0.0122. That's what I think is likely. The only thing that would invalidate that would be to push up all the way up and break that wick of the wave 4 and break that down sloping trend line. But as of right now, we got rejected by the down sloping trend line in our wave 4 pullback zone. So the higher probability is we come down in the wave 5, and that's all you can trade off of is probabilities. There are no certainties. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at. As I mentioned, trickling down to retest the wedge. I do think that's a higher probability. Hopefully continue to print those divergences on the daily and eventually turn around, come down, retest that wedge, and then boom, see you later, see that bounce, and start to look for long trades to ride it back up. Just have to be patient right now. Market's moving rather slowly. But that's a-okay. So that's what we're looking at. 618 target 0.01226. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange to trade futures to trade spot. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $100, that's $20. If you deposit $1,000, that's $200, completely free to trade with into your futures account. My subscribers only. My signals group is $10 a month, so you can get daily crypto analysis for many coins. My exact trade setups, we're still in our Solana trade. Crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, as well as Forex signals and analysis. We do have some trades coming up for Forex. We are currently in US oil. So not only can you trade crypto, but as well as Forex for only $10 a month. It's all down below in the comments section. Smash up the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.